The first step in this process would be to log into your Binance account. Once you're logged in, your dashboard is going to look like this. If you don't have a Binance account, make sure to use the link in the description of this video to create one. Once your account is created and you're already logged into your Binance account, as you can see, I'm already here and I'm using my mobile device. You can do this on your mobile device. You can also do it on your laptop. If you scroll down, you're gonna see where it says wallets down here. If you click on that, that's gonna bring you to this place. As you can see right here, you can see spot wallet and funding wallet. These are two very important wallets on this app. Okay, if you're gonna do what I want to show you in this video, you would need to fund your spot wallet. So how are you gonna do this? I've got a ton of videos on this channel that can teach you how you can fund your wallet. Okay, you can buy any crypto on the Binance P2P platform, move it to the funding wallet, and then from the funding wallet move it to the spot wallet. Okay, so if you want to know how you can do this, make sure you check the links in the description. They're going to show you how you can have some assets. So once you have some money in here, as you can see, I don't have quite enough for this. This is my tutorial account. If you want to see me do this live in my next video, make sure you're subscribed. This video is going to be more on the theoretical aspect of how to do this. So the next step would be to scroll down this page. You're going to see where it says futures. You click on that. That's going to bring you here. So once you're here, the next thing you're going to do is to click on this leaderboard. Okay, and that's going to bring you here. As you can see, these are profitable traders on this platform. So what you're going to be doing is to copy any of these traders. But before you go straight into copying these guys, you need to make sure that the trader you're copying is a profitable trader. So how do you find out? What you're gonna do is you're gonna click on one of them. So let's check this person, and that brings us to this place. Okay, so this is how you know the trader is profitable. For example, if we look at this, you can see this person longed SRP. Okay, and this was the quantity he used to long this trade. As you can see right here, this was the entry price in USDT, and this right here is the market price. Okay, you can see this one is bigger than this right here, so there's a slight increase, and that is why he is up by 0.03% as at the time of filming. So as you can see, they are on a profit. P&L 0.03%. P&L there means profit or loss. Okay, check the next trade. Okay, he went long on Cardano USDT pair, and down here you can see they are on a loss. This was the size, this was the entry price, and this right here is the current market price. So how do you know who to follow? Make sure you're following or copying a trader that is successful. As you can see right here, this is a good example of a trader to follow. Return on investment monthly 671%. As you can see right here, profit or loss monthly, they have made this much. Look at the number of followers. So the next step would be to browse down this page. You're gonna see where it says Traderwagon. You're gonna see a button that says copy now. Okay, you're gonna click on that. So this is where you would be able to copy those traders. Okay, as you can see right here, anyone on Traderwagon can trade like a top trader. All you need to do is to start copying. Okay, so this is a Binance partner. You would have to link your Binance account to the Traderwagon platform. How do you do this? All you need to do is to click on the start copy button. That's gonna bring you here. Welcome to the Traderwagon. Your funds are safe. Funds are safe. Click on the continue with Binance, and that's gonna bring you to a page here where you will be prompted to continue with your Gmail account. So that's going to bring you to this page where you'll be able to key in your email address and set up a password for this, and then click on create account. If you followed that process, you will be able to create your account. As you can see right here, I have my account, and study these traders following the technique I showed you earlier on to find out those that are profitable. So right here you can see it says 30 days return on investment, their total profit and loss, and much more. Right, let's check out this person right there. That brings you to the copy trading terms of agreement, and make sure you read all of this. You need to understand that copying traders could be risky. You could make losses, you could also make profits. Okay, so after reading all of this, you click on agree and continue if you want to do this. So that brings us to this place. As you can see, 30 days return on investment, 754%. This person is a profitable trader. As you can see, their profit or loss is 2,254 in USDT. Look at their win rate in the past 30 days, 94.44%. How many wins? 17 out of 18 in the past 30 days. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the kind of trader you might want to copy. Of course, profits are not 100% guaranteed. As you can see right here, win rate 94.44. Losses might trickle in here and then, but always make sure you are investing what you can afford to lose. And now pay attention to this place right here. It says full. This means you cannot copy this trader at the moment because their portfolio is full. Then you would have to go back and look for another trader you can copy. But also, if you are a little bit interested in the trades that I've taken that took them to that 94% accuracy, okay, you can come down here and look at their other history. All you need to do is to click on this. It's going to display all the trades, and you can kind of go through all of them and study what they've been doing, right? Checking out another trader here, we can see this trader by the name Comet has got a 99% win rate in the past 30 days, took 104 trades and won 105 of them. This is amazing. And most importantly is that when you come down here, you can see that you can copy this trader right now. If you're interested, all you need to do is to click on that copy button right there. So right here, we see that there are two ways you can go about this. You can use the fixed ratio cross or the fixed amount isolated. As a beginner, I would advise you go for the second one, because as you can see right here, for the fixed ratio cross, the amount of money you need to key in here should be between 100 USDT to about 50,000 USDT. Okay. This is a no-go area if you are a beginner. Except you are an advanced copy trader, you understand what you're doing, never put in this much into a trade. Okay, so if you go to this one right here, this gives us a better option. You can key in from $10 to about $8,000. Okay, so you can use $10, $15, $20. So the next step would be to key in the copy amount. As you can see right here, I've keyed in say $40, and also you're going to repeat that amount down here. Pay attention to this. It says 0.00 USDT. This means I've got 0 USDT in my Binance spot wallet. Okay, so make sure you have it funded if you want to do this. In my next video, I'm going to do this live, and you are going to see how it is done. This is more like the theoretical aspect. So the next thing would be to come over here. You can see we've got this leverage, which is at 10%. I would suggest not touching it. And the next step would be to come over here to set your profit and loss targets. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is where you would have to set your take profit and loss targets. Okay, say you want to take profit at 20%. Okay, so once the trader is in profit and it gets to 20%, the trade is gonna close. Okay, so you slide this to 20%. You can increase it to whatever percentage you want. Okay, and these ones here are for more advanced traders. As a beginner, you don't have to touch any of this. The more you learn and understand this platform, then the easier it would become for you to start using some of these advanced settings. So all you need to do is to go down to this page and click on the OK button, and that's gonna bring you here. As you can see, it shows you your profit and loss targets. The next would be to click on the button down that would say submit, and that would be it. And once your profit targets are met, the trade is going to close automatically, and that's how this is done. In my next video, I'm actually gonna do this live. I'm gonna copy a trader, and then we're gonna leave it for maybe days or weeks to see how much I'm gonna turn my initial investment into. If you're interested, make sure you're subscribed so you know when that video goes live. This is it for this video. This is Big Zell Bees. Is your guy Ken signing off.